Hello all, today we are going to see how to stop the blinking light battery problem which blinks continuously between red and white color in Dell vostro 3000 series. This trick is applicable in almost all of the Dell laptops which have a notification LED here. So if you see here, currently the power is on, but still the battery is not able to get charged. So it is showing that 93% and not charging. So the battery is not at all working. If I currently switch off the power supply, then directly the screen is shut off. The battery is not working. It could be either because of the two reasons. Reason 1, battery is not working, or reason 2, the sensor in the battery is dead. So to stop this color change, we have to press function plus H. So then you can see